how to mention someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can mention someone on Instagram. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Instagram account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, you'll see um all of your posts, your followers, and all of that. Then the next step is to make a post. This is because if you want to mention someone, you have to make a post, right? So just move to the bottom part of the screen and click on the plus icon. And so after clicking on the plus icon, you'll be brought to the post page. And so you can just go ahead and make a post. So after selecting the post you want to make, it could be a photo, it could be a video. Move to the top right corner and click on the next button. And then you be taken to the next page. And here you can decide to edit the picture. Then move to the bottom right corner and click on the next button, and then you'll be taken to the editing page. So yeah, you can decide to add a caption, you can add location, and then you can see the option tag people. So that is the same thing as mentioning people. So once you click on tag people, the next thing to do is tap on the photo, and then you can now search for users that you would like to tag. All right, so you can just go ahead and do that. So for me, I would be tagging um a friend named Elizabeth, and I'll be selecting the person's name now. And so after selecting the person, you would see that the person has been added as a tag, and then the person has been mentioned in your post. So you can just move to the top right corner, click on the tick icon, and then you can go ahead to add music and all of that. Then click on share, and then just like that, your post will be made and the person would be mentioned in the post. So this is basically how you can mention people on Instagram. It's very simple. You can just go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching and have a good day.